At the end of the day, I repeat, what I say. We have to build new narratives. We have to build narratives that engage with the people and are the narratives of the lived experiences of people. It's easy to say we should do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and not actually do them. And I give an example. We litigate a lot on taxation. And taxation is a subject that's in the court a lot. Now you have to try and understand, why are we litigating on taxation? The way I see it, and I've done a lot of work in taxation, is that there's no buy-in to the system. The taxpayer doesn't really understand, appreciate, or want to pay the tax. And the system wants to extract the tax. And it's always seen as an extraction, and forceful and unfair extraction. And the reason is because a narrative has never been built of this partnership between the state and the citizen, where the citizen has to pay the tax, the state has to take the tax money, because what's missing is, where's that money going? What's the accountability of that money? Where's the governance? I don't see it. And so every taxpayer comes to say this is unfair. Then there seems to be a disbalance in who's being taxed and who's not being taxed. And again, it requires better understanding. You cannot expect every person and any ordinary person to just appreciate the decisions that are being taken somewhere in some room which have no connection. So salaried people will always have the same argument that because we are salaried and it's easy to extract money from us, we become the first point where you extract it. People who have wealth and property will say this seems to be an easy place. So at the end of the day, what does that conversation break down into? That money is being extracted from where it's easily extracted, and anyone who has that kind of money, you can extract it from them in the form of tax. For me, the question is that why isn't there a buy-in to the system? Why isn't the system creating a narrative which makes people understand? And narratives are not built overnight. Narratives takes time. It takes decades to build narratives. I don't think we've really built a narrative. And just the other day in a case, while hearing the FBI, I was telling them that, this is not like a bounty hunt that you're on. You're not looking for people that I'll take money from here, take money from there. This is an obligation on that person. You have to give them space to understand their obligation, to litigate it, to give closure to the decision, and to pay the tax. But when you start going into this extraction mode, you don't get the buy-in. And on literature, on taxation, you will see everywhere it talks a lot about the relationship between the taxpayer and the government, where you have to build a strong bond where it's understood what's happening with the money, and the taxpayer doesn't agitate on everything.